So make sure that you have what you need in the beginning when you're applying. Don't plan to just save up that money. Hi, today's video is going to be mortgage down payment. So if you want all the scoop, make sure you stay till the end. Welcome to your one-stop shop for anything and everything mortgage education. My name is Stephanie Weeks, and I have helped thousands and thousands of customers with their mortgage financing. I've been a loan officer for 17 years, recognized in the top 1% of loan officers in production for the past several years in a row by Mortgage Executive Magazine. I also have been recognized by the Scotsman Guide of Top Originators. I drop new videos every Tuesday and every Saturday. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Mortgage down payment. What is it? When is it needed? How is it different than some of the other topics like closing costs or prepaids? And what's acceptable? I'm going to make sure to cover all that today. Mortgage down payment can be, and there are some exceptions to this. I'm going to give you the overall, but you might fall into some of the exceptions. For mortgage down payment, that can be your own money. It can be a gift from a family member, or it can be a combination of both. What do we define as your own money? Checking, savings, stocks, bonds, CD, IRA, 401k. Maybe you have a motorbike, an automobile, or something, and you sell it and you make money off of that. That would also be your own money. What is not your own money is getting a loan for down payment, not acceptable. What is also not your own money would be trying to pull money off of a credit card. Those are the things that are acceptable for the down payment. What is down payment? It sounds very simple, but I do like to clarify. So when you're coming to closing on a home, yes, we're talking about purchases today. So you come to closing on a home, you have down payment plus closing cost plus prepaid items minus any closing costs paid for you by the seller minus any deposit that you gave, and that's total cash to close. Today's video, we're just talking about the down payment. Here are some examples. With a VA loan, potentially there's no down payment. With a USDA RD loan, there's potentially no down payment. With an FHA loan, there's potentially a minimum of a 3.5% down payment. And with conventional, a lot of people don't realize this, but with conventional, there's 3% down payment for first-time home buyers, or maybe a minimum of 5% down payment. Most people think conventional, they think 20% down. Great if you have it, most people don't. But those are some examples of different amounts of down payments on the different loan types. Verification of mortgage down payment. When you get pre-approved, whatever you put on that application needs to be backed up with paperwork and proof. If you need money for down payment, and let's say that is $12,000, and you put on your application that you have $13,000, we're going to verify that you actually have the $13,000. That money needs to be verified. A lot of people have the misconception that they can apply for a mortgage today and they can then save up the money and they'll have it by the time we get to closing. But that's not how it works. In order to get to a closing, if the closing's here, we've got to verify everything like in the beginning, right? And then again in the middle, and then again at the end. So make sure that you have what you need in the beginning when you're applying. Don't plan to just save up that money. Now, you might have $10,000 now. Maybe we need to verify 13, and the 3's coming from a gift. You want to list that on the application, and then all of the gift paperwork will have to be completed and provided and acceptable to allow for that money to be verified as part of the money you need for your down payment. As always, check out that link in the description below for today's free download. How about we make today's comment money, money, money? There's a song about that, right? Like money, 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 money. Oh, how exciting, right? I'm such a great singer. Anyway, money, money, money. Drop that in the comments below if you get what I'm dishing out today, which is information about mortgage down payment. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, why not? Go ahead and do it. What's it gonna hurt? Seriously though, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified. Please do share these videos and the channel with your friends and family to help me spread my mission of Mortgage Peace. And since you're here with me today and you're visiting anyway, stay a little longer. Check out some of these other videos. I'll drop some links up here.